everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ingen no peanut zae. You may have heard of gomae, which is vegetables dressed with sesame sauce, and this is a peanut version of it. Super easy to make, but delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I do a menu with this ingen no peanut zae, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some green beans, it's about 300 grams. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm using Skippy chunky one, but you can use any peanut butter you like. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's cook the green beans first. I cut both ends off just a little bit. Prepare some boiling water with pinch of salt. And let's cook them for 2 minutes. Okay, let's take them out and cool down. In the meantime, let's make the peanut sauce. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just mix it well. And the peanut sauce is ready. Super easy. Cut the green beans into 4 and add to the bowl of dressing. Mix with the sauce. Serve in the bowl. And ingen no peanut zae is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's just peanut butter, sugar and soy sauce, but the balance of the sweetness and saltiness is just so perfect, and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, bean, 1 or 2 side dishes. Ingen no peanut zae is a side, so let's put it here. Some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about yakitori don, which will also cover the main, and tofu and okra miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!